In this tutorial, you'll learn how to find books, articles, and more at NIU Libraries and Beyond using the NIU Libraries Search. The default search, NIU Libraries, searches for articles, books, course reserves, and other materials available online or in print from NIU Libraries. Changing the drop-down selection to NIU and Beyond includes materials that you can request from outside of NIU, such as articles that you can request online access to, and books or physical materials from Illinois libraries. After searching for the title, author, or keywords, you can filter your results on the left by limiting the results to a specific type of source, such as articles or books, specifying the creation date, such as items published within the past 5 years, and much more. If you're searching for items that are online, such as articles in journals, newspapers, or magazines, you may see a link that says Available Online. These are online materials that NIU has access to. A link to the resource will be provided under View Online. You may need to follow an additional link to get to the resource. If it says No Online Access, you can request a digital copy of the item through Interlibrary Loan by clicking on the title and then Request Article via Interlibrary Loan, Iliad. We will email you within a couple of days with a link to a digital copy. If you're searching for physical items such as books, government documents, and audiovisual materials, you may see some materials that say Available at with either Founders Memorial Library or one of our branch locations. These are materials that NIU Libraries has immediate access to. You can visit the library to check the items out, or you can request the items and have them sent to Founders Memorial Library, the library lockers, branch locations, or other academic libraries in Illinois. See Finding Books, Articles, and More at NIU for more information on how to access these materials. You can request most items that are not available at NIU Libraries by clicking on the title, signing in with your Z or AID and password, and selecting Request from iShare. iShare is a system of Illinois libraries that shares books. Within a few business days, we'll get the book for you to pick up at our library, the library lockers, branch locations, or other Illinois libraries. If you can't request the item, it could be because all copies are checked out or the item is not requestable. For additional help, use the Chat with a Librarian service on the library's homepage to connect with the librarian during our virtual reference hours or visit us in person at the Research Help Desk.